As you may have heard, we're having an assembly on this Friday. That's right, this Friday. What are we going to be doing on that assembly? Well, we're going to be playing some minute to win it games.
These are short games where student and staff will compete against each other.
We'll be playing Stack Attack, which is a cup stacking game.
Oreo Cookie Face, which is a game where people try to get an Oreo from their forehead into their mouth.
Tissue Issue, a game where you try to empty a box of tissues as fast as you can with one hand.
And Keep Them Up, where folks try to see how long they can keep up 3 balloons in the air.
We'd love you to participate if you'd like to. And if you want to, here's what you got to do. Go to the lunchroom and find the 4 buckets. Find the one with the name of the game that you want to play on it and put your shocks in.
Miss Fortuna will pull from those buckets to see who gets to participate in the games at the assembly.
So if you're trying to showcase your wonky skills in front of the whole school, sign up by dropping your shocks in the bucket.